start again. So close, bro. I need the Brimbos already. These rotors are so clapped. I might have to place another order for the Brimbos, but see what happens. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to be installing some camber arms on the G. I actually got these camber arms from Maxpeedingrods. They're all wrapped up in here. I opened up the box already. All this stuff is about to fall out. So yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, you guys just see this part. But yeah, I got camber arms. Finally, this is my second suspension mod, because all I have right now is just coilovers. So I mean, they reached out to me, and you know, they wanted to support the build, so they hooked it up with these camber arms, which I'm going to be installing today. Finally, because I've had these sitting here for about a week and a half. For any of you who want to try out their products, you can go to their website, maxpeedingrods.com. I'll have it linked in the description. But they have turbochargers, they have coils, camber arms, just all type of stuff that you can use for your build. I'll leave it in the description. And I also have a promo code. You get 15% off. So basically what's about to happen right now is I'm going to go ahead and go to my friend's shop with the beamer source. That's what they call it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to head over there and going to install the camber arms. So I know you guys see this big ass granola bar box, 48 bars. I'm going to end up taking this to the shop just to give it to everybody, just because I don't need this many. I took like half of them out, just keep them at my house or whatever. So I'm not fat, I promise. Alright, so little POV for you guys while I'm on the way to the shop. My RPMs again. It's kind of hot. Say 96. Probably not gonna do any like crazy pulls or anything like that. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but I did plug in my blow-off valve. But one thing I didn't realize, that when the blow-off valve is plugged in, it makes like a different sound. Like, it can make two different sounds basically. So like, watch, I'll show you guys in a second when I get the chance. But I like it. It's pretty lit, to be honest. I thought I'd give you guys, like, you know, like a little POV. I'm gonna drop like a full POV video soon. But you know, this is just for right now, on the way to the shop. So see, you guys heard it right there. I low-key like it because it can make both sounds. Like, I love that sound right there too, but then like you just get this. Oh shit. See, it didn't do it that time, but you get the point. I love hearing the turbo noises. 100% worth it. Is that Unique Motorsports, bro? Is that Saul over there? I swear, the sound never gets old. shit was moving, I cannot lie. Car feels pretty good, even though it's kind of hot out. Alright, so here at the shop already. Yeah, here's all the camber arms and the traction arms. Got the car up on the lift right now. So I had to take the wheels off so it would be easier. So I'm replacing this arm and this arm right here.
That's my bad boy.
Alright, so we had to pretty much take off the bolts from this sway bar because we couldn't push through the bolt from, what is this? What's it called?
What? Oh, the
One of the arms, whatever.
traction. Oh no, that's the.
This one.
Oh,
Damn, y'all seen him try to attack me on camera, bro.
hey, shut up.
But yeah, we're running into like just a little issue like that. So just taking the sway bar off and then I'm gonna install them. Alright, so all the camber arms, traction arms are off. Getting ready to put the new ones on. As you can see, I blew like 1,000 axles. Alright, so we got everything on both sides, pretty much done. Now I just need to put the wheels back on and go get in alignment. Wheels are back on right now. I don't know if you guys could tell, but definitely need an alignment. Like my wheel is kind of like tilted in like that way. So gonna go ahead and hit up a shop and see if I get the alignment today, because I don't want to be driving it like this because it's just gonna wear out my tires. I didn't get any for the front, but I'm not sure if I am. We'll see how that goes. I still gotta do the bucket delete anyways on this side or in the rear. So after I do that, then I'll probably start focusing on the front, see what's up. And also I did lift the tome up a little bit. I don't know if you guys could tell. It's not where I want it. Like I still need to adjust it a little bit, but it's cool for right now. Alright y'all, so I pulled up to 365 because they do alignments here. So gonna get that done so that, you know, my car's not standing like young boy anymore. Looks so clean. Y'all ever look at your car and be like, can't believe that's mine? Got her going up right now. See how she drives after. I know you don't want it, bro. Man. It's clean though, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty clean. fixed ASAP. All right, so I'm back at my house now. The alignment is done. She's standing, or the stance is way better. Still need to work on the fitment because it is pretty bad. Just need to find time to do it. But the alignment in the back is done. They couldn't finish the front because apparently I need new tie rods because they're bent. So they couldn't, you know, adjust it. It's always something, but you know, it is what it is. Just gotta keep fixing shit, basically. That's what happens when you modify cars. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, sub, all that. And I will see y'all in the next video.